Hello students, now we are going to study about the array sorting, how we are going to do. See students, here we will learn about the array insertion also and array sorting also. See here first is your insertion sort, how we are going to first insert the element and then we are going to do the sorting. In this insertion sort, what we have to do, first we have to start with the first element. Okay, see we have named the first element ELE. Now we have to compare the element with the elements of the previous cells, means from the left side first. Okay, and then keep on shifting each element to the next cell unless the an array is less than ELE. See how we have to do here. Array with the 10 elements having highly negative elements in the first cell. Here we have negative element. Okay, first cell. Now what we have to do, we will check that 15 is greater than this, then we are going to shift in then minus 99, hence insert it in the same position array 1. So we have to it will be inserted in the same only. Now next 18 will, for the 18 it will be same. Now here the 2 comes. Now what we have to do, we have to insert 2. Element 2 has some bigger numbers before it in the array, hence the keep shifting the greater elements. See here why the sorting 2 has come to the array position 1. Okay, like that 4 has also come, like that we will insert it, and at the lastly we will say that the number which is more bigger, it will become at the last. See here at the last 18 is shifted here. So this is how we are going to first insert the element and then how we are going to sort it. Now here is the algorithm, how you are going to do it. See here is your, with the help of diagram example. Okay, by the column and it has been shown, and here it is your algorithm how you are going to solve it. Now here the program has been given for the insertion sort technique, how we are going to first insert an element and then do the sorting in the ascending or descending order. Here is the whole example. Okay, here to insert an element within the array list. Now next, in the first we have learned about the insertion, and next is about the deletion. How it is the process to delete an element available at a specified position and from the set of elements stored in a single dimension array. What for this, what we have to do, start with the pause means position where we have to delete the element first. Pause plus 1 position and keep on shifting each element towards the left previous index unless n is reached. Okay, now next what we have to do, finally decrease the size of an array by 1, n is equal to n minus 1. Okay, in here deletion is there, then it is n minus 1. The element will be deleted from the position of the pause. An example to illustrate deletion of an element, see here how the element has been deleted. Suppose you want to delete element 28. We have to delete element 28. That is available at N4 cell of an array containing 10 elements. To delete the element, perform the following steps. This first, shift all the elements from 5th to 9 indexes by one position. So see how we have to shift the elements like this. See here, the deletion of the elements from the N4 is completed like that. When we are going to shift it here, then now the element N5 is shifted to N4, N6 is shifted to N5 cell on, and so on. As a result, the element of cell N4 will be deleted from the list. See here student, N4 it is 28, now it is 51. Here the element has been deleted, and this is algorithm how to delete an element. So here is a program to delete, and whole the program has been given. Okay, about the deletion of the elements. Now algorithm to merge the elements of two arrays in a single. In this, what we have to do, there are two arrays and then we have to merge it into a single array. See here, two arrays has been given. One array is x and another is y, and both the array has been merged into a single array Z. Okay, see here the program has been given, or we have merged the array. The first elements are there, the second elements are, and how the third, and plus 1. Okay, so student, these were three things you have learned in this array. Sorting, first is your insertion, and second is your deletion, and third is your merging of an array. Go through with this and write all the three programs in your registers. Okay, if there is any problem, then you can ask me to my personal WhatsApp number.